This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan, with your morning hazardous weather briefing for Tuesday, April 16th of 2013. Well, we do have some hazardous weather to be concerned with over the next few days. First of all, we do have a chance of thunderstorms, and that's for all of northern Michigan Wednesday night through Thursday night. No severe weather is anticipated with these storms. Now, a more significant one may very well turn to be heavy rainfall, which is going to be possible across all of northern Michigan. But this is primarily going to be focused in northern lower Michigan, generally along and south of a line from Manistee to Alpena. And again, that's for Wednesday night through Thursday night as well. And some impacts with this heavy rainfall will be potential lowland flooding near rivers and streams, which those rivers and streams may experience some significant rises into the weekend. Let's take a look at what we have on the current weather map right now. We do have low pressure moving through Ontario with a cold front extending southward from this low pressure, and that was pushing through lower Michigan at this time and taking away the rainfall that we got last night as it's moving off to the east. In the meantime, there is some high pressure that's back across western Canada, and it is extending down into the north central part of the country. In the meantime, we do have new low pressure organizing over the southern Rockies. Now, as we look ahead into Wednesday morning, we do see the high pressure working in over the Great Lakes region, and we're going to have some pretty quiet weather for today and tonight. In the meantime, that low pressure over the southern Rockies starts to work into the northern part of Texas. And then by Thursday morning, we're going to get low pressure working its way up into the western Great Lakes region, and with another area of low pressure set to work northeastward along that frontal boundary. And that's going to be seen here on Friday morning. It consolidates into one really strong low pressure system that's going to be moving right over northern lower Michigan. And then by Saturday morning, it lifts northeast and out of the area, and we'll be looking at higher pressure trying to work into our neck of the woods. Now here's the Day 2 severe weather outlook. Now, although we're not in the slight or moderate chance for severe weather, we are in the green shaded section, which suggests that thunderstorms could work their way up into the Straits region. And then Day 3, we still have the chance for thunderstorms across most of northern lower Michigan as we go Thursday through Friday morning. But a more significant impact from this particular low pressure system may turn out to be some heavy rainfall. Here is the 3-day precipitation forecast that goes through Friday morning. Here we're looking at 2 to 4 inches of rainfall possible across northern lower Michigan, and again, that is generally along a line from Alpena back down to Manistee and areas south of there. And this is also the region where rivers and streams are running quite high. So we could see some significant water level increases across many area rivers and streams. There's also some pretty decent rainfall across eastern upper over this time. Now, this exact axis of heavy rainfall isn't known for sure. There is some uncertainty surrounding it. So we'll have to pay attention to the latest forecasts and statements from the National Weather Service in Gaylord. And again, the main headline is a very rainy period of weather that's on its way. We just discussed that. And this rainy weather is also going to turn to a chance of snow showers as we go into Friday and Friday night. We didn't really talk about the very cold air that's going to come in behind this departing system, but it's going to be quite cold. And I hate to say it, but we might have to mention the words lake effect as we get into Friday night. As of today, though, a very nice day in store with partly cloudy skies, some sunshine out there, and not too bad of temperatures. The coolest place will be coming in off the colder lake waters for Mackinac Island at 38 degrees, but most areas will be in the 40s and even some lower 50s. And again, to recap the hazards for today through Monday, those thunderstorms for Wednesday night and Thursday night. Again, no severe weather is expected. But more significantly, some heavy rainfall with river and lowland flooding possible. And again, that's also from Wednesday night through Thursday night. The rises on area rivers and streams could extend all the way into the weekend. And that'll wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 5 o'clock this afternoon. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.